Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. Thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. As you know, the Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. I'm in Las Vegas. I'm doing my homework on cannabis companies. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, cannabis is back with the removal of 280E, which was that tax code there that was killing these companies. These companies now will have millions of dollars, and some of them hundreds of millions of dollars to spend on their business now, and they'll be treated like regular businesses. I'm at AYR Wellness in Las Vegas. AYR Wellness was a high flyer. It's trading at a penny now. It's doing nothing. It's restructuring. It's a turnaround story, ladies and gentlemen. And we've done fairly well with these turnaround stories. As you guys can recall, we've had turnaround stories that have gone from pennies to $20. So don't take this lightly. Now this AYR Wellness, they have in the Vegas area, they have 3 dispensaries. In Northern California, they have I do this one time, so one time only. In Northern Nevada, they have an additional 3 up in Reno, right? But let me tell you, they have 67 dispensaries in Florida. Now, you know, Florida is one of those states that we really, really love. We love Florida. You've got, they're also in New Jersey, Massachusetts, Pennsylvania, and Illinois. So they do have a lot of dispensaries out there. Ohio, Illinois also. I don't know if I said Ohio, Illinois. But they're out there. They have a lot of dispensaries. And they're one of those companies right now. Like I said, they're restructuring. But from the looks of it and the information I've been able to get, because they're only allowed to give me limited information, from the information I've gotten and from the look from myself, from me doing my homework, I think there's something to this story here. At a penny, this is a baby knockout that could really go crazy. It could really go crazy, and it should be taken seriously, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about a company that can save what? Because of 280 being removed, we're talking about 200. We're talking about at least I'm using round numbers. We're talking about $120 million a year. This, and if you guys that are into market caps, this is a less than 1,500,000 market cap, I believe. The company is right now in the enterprise value, ladies and gentlemen, over 500 million. So that tells you something. They're spending some money somewhere, and they're doing. Sooner or later, they're going to learn this. They're going to pick this up, and the share structure hasn't been broken. It's not torn up. It's not crazy. So it's something to definitely take a look at, ladies and gentlemen. I would, I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold anything. I'm just telling you this is one of those overlooked companies out here that has potential to do big things. So make sure you take a look at AYR Wellness, AYRWF, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, they're restructuring right now. They're like all of the other most of the other companies, a lot of them in a lot of debt. But that state of Florida, like I said, they have like almost 67 was the last count of dispensaries in Florida. You compare that to the 140 or 150 of Truly, which really controls Florida, and they're the largest in Florida. But when it comes to baby knockout torque, I'm talking about baby knockout, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about our modeling is some of the best modeling out there when it comes to these stocks. And we can see this stock going much, much higher. AYR Wellness, ladies and gentlemen. Put it on your watch list. You guys trading baby knockouts for life at a penny or two. You don't have too much to lose. There's not so much downside. Like I said, we're talking a company with a enterprise value of over 500 million. So there's been a lot of money. They've got debt. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know how these things are going sometimes, you know. We'll just let it play out. They've got some good lawyers. They're still in operations. They're doing very, very well. They're doing a brisk business right now. They're there. They're there. So we'll see what happens with AYR Wellness, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. As far as the other markets concerned, thank you guys for watching. You know, the programs on uranium 1, 2, and 3 little series there. I appreciate all of you. Uranium is going to go up also. Right now, you know, as the market fluctuates, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. It's just fluctuating right now. We'll see. But anyway, you take care. God bless you and your family, ladies and gentlemen. We're at war right now. There's a lot going on. To the men and women in uniform, I salute you. God bless you and your family, ladies and gentlemen. You need strength, you need energy, you need guidance. Look up, because that's where it's coming from. God bless you and take care.